And another round of storms yesterday for parts of North Texas. So yeah, really two kind of rough nights and maybe another rough morning today.
Yeah, Dan Godwin live in Mansfield, where people saw giant hailstones fall overnight. Oh my, Dan.
That's right, Lauren. Some people in this Mansfield neighborhood and elsewhere around North Texas will be stepping outside this morning, and some may be met with an unwelcome surprise, damage to their vehicle, like we're seeing on this Nissan. You'll notice the hole at the bottom of the glass, but this entire back window is cracked, the result of some sizable hail that came down on this same street. The owner of a fairly new Jaguar SUV will need to replace the rear window, and there's at least one really big dent on the body. And this same unlucky vehicle owner will need some repair work on his Range Rover. The windshield is busted. The man told us last night's severe weather was a bit unsettling when things really got going.
So there was no rain. It was just these huge, look like, baseball to softball size hail. I don't know, it lasted maybe 15, 20 minutes, I guess. And then the rain started after that.
And here's some proof that the claims about the size of the hail are not exaggerated. Some hailstones, possibly even bigger than softballs, with that kind of spiky look, which adds another ominous touch. Certainly, folks around Dallas-Fort Worth are hoping after a couple of turbulent nights we have seen the last of the really supersized hailstones, at least for a while. But there's no guarantee. Reporting live, Dan Godwin on Good Day.